Hey, Brian Silverthorne again, talking about how to make bigger profits. So let's get to it. How do you make bigger profits? Well, the formula is very simple. You make more money and you spend less money. That means you got a whole bunch more to keep over and keep and do with what you want. But there's a lot of things in each of those categories that you have to pay attention to and optimize fully in order to make sure that you make bigger profits consistently. So let's start on the revenue side, generating more money. How do you do that? Well, to go back to the basics, the first thing you need to do is decide or be able to define what it is you're selling, a product or a service or both. So what are you selling? Why are you selling it? Obviously, you're selling it to make money, but for what other reason are you selling it? Who are you selling it to? What's your ideal client look like? What problems do you solve for them? Where are you going to sell it? Is it just on your local block, or are you going to do it internationally, globally, whatever that happens to be? And how are you going to sell it? And there's a number of options in there. So if you're an established organization, you probably have a pretty good answer to each one of those questions, but it never hurts to go back over them and make sure that you have a good answer that's a current answer with what you want to do. And once you get the answers to those, then we start looking at the ways to achieve them and how to optimize each one of those ways so that you can make more money in less time. And then we'll get over to the spend less money side. So what are you selling? Why are you selling it? Who are you selling it to? What problem do you solve? How are you going to sell it? Where are you going to sell it? So get some answers to those, and then we'll get started on the nuts and bolts in the next video. And again, if you like this, please make a comment, like it, share it with others, subscribe if you haven't already, and encourage others to subscribe. Thanks for watching.